Whoa.
Yay, it's game day.
All right.
I can't wait to see how we make this hot dog, hamburger, bacon, egg sandwich with a sweet and spicy kick. What am I doing here?
We need to put some butter on there.
Now, you want me to chop your herbs?
Yes, my herbs.
Okay.
So I can get
And
it
what
out.
all do you want me to chop and how much?
I say about a tablespoon of each.
Okay, and we've got basil. We have parsley. And we got some sage.
Okay.
Are you an eyeball cook?
Yes, I am.
Some people like formula cooking, some people like eyeball.
It's
I
just-
actually like both. So here we go. And I guess you want this minced up pretty good, don't you? Because we're gonna
Yes.
mix it in the butter.
Yes.
All right, so how much of this butter do you want me to use to mix these herbs in?
You use however much you would like.
Okay, well, I didn't know if you liked it real strong or kinda strong.
Well, I like mine real strong. I love things to be
Okay.
very flavorful.
Hey, what are you
I
doing?
know
Don't
that.
tear my bun apart.
Oh, you don't have to. Wasn't gonna tear it all the way apart. That was just for me. I'm sorry.
Keep your hands off my bun.
I'm just going this side then. All right.
And then you can do your bun the way you want.
Fine. Okay. Okay.
All right, so
Sorry.
now,
Sorry.
so tell me, I'm gonna take this butter and stir those herbs in it. Is that right?
Honestly, I just put the butter on the griddle and then I just drizzle the herbs over it. Cause we gotta save those bowls for the separation of the
I'm
eggs.
so sorry.
Yes.
See, you've been unclear on my instructions, Chris.
Separation of the eggs. Of course, I am a novice. Cut me some slack.
You're not a novice.
I mean, as far as, instructing people, this is a bowl, and what you are supposed to do is take this bowl and use it for...
I didn't know you did, Julia.
I think that's a staple for any cook. You have to know how to do that voice.
All right, now you was coming over here and kind of touching my buns.
I'm sorry. I sprinkled the herbs across and everything, but I
Across?
thought this one was my recipe. So can
Oh,
you
that's
try it
right, I
my way
forgot.
just once? Look, come on, Paula. Just
Okay, crybaby.
look over. Oh, I'm right now. Okay.
Okay, darling. I got you.
I'm gonna let you do the honors of
Okay.
placing the hot dogs and
I will put our hot dogs down into our water. Are these all beef dogs?
yes. The next thing we have to do now is separate the egg white with the shell. I love doing this.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Your hands are so big. And that little bitty egg.
But I do it pretty well, don't you
You do
think?
it very well.
Thank you. Okay, we need a serving platter.
Here you go.
This is the fun. I'll hold it for you. We just
Okay.
need to get these off and.
Oh, okay. These are beautiful.
Yes.
Love all the herbs on them.
This is the fun part.
It is?
Yes. We get to put peach preserves
Okay.
and spread them over.
Is that enough to suit you right there?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I want to please Mr. Chris Jenkins.
I put grapeseed oil in. I love to cook with grapeseed oil.
Okay,
I just
okay.
think that it has just a smoother consistency than olive oil. But,
Okay.
And then I'll put my eggs in.
Absolutely.
Yes. All right, so I don't know if you like spices, but I love spices, so.
I can take a little heat. I mean, I don't like for it to hurt me.
You just sprinkle however much you want.
On the bread.
On yours, because then I'll
Okay.
show you how much I like to put on mine.
I'm a sissy.
Well, there you go.
That's mine.
Okay.
That is a lot of chili powder, Chris.
I am a spice lover, so I have to put a little bit more on there. We're going to put the cheese on.
When do I need to take the bacon out of the oven?
I think you can take the bacon out the oven now if you would like.
Okay. I don't know at which point.
Oh, that's perfect.
So we're gonna put the hot egg white.
You can put the bacon strips on one
All
on
right.
each side. Yes, I guess the
Okay.
hot dogs are ready.
Okay. Whoa. That's a big dog.
Well, this is the final
Oh.
touch. Just on the sides.
Sweet
You just-
Camille.
Yes, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.
You got that pretty right. Touchdown.
Touchdown me. I told you. You gotta believe in me, Paul. You gotta believe
I
in me.
believe in you, baby. All right, come on over here.
More eating.
I'm going in.
Oh.
You
oh.
want a knife and fork? I don't.
So it's okay, huh?
It's sinful.
I'm glad you like it.
Out of this world. You know, you'd never thought. I've never had a hamburger hot dog sandwich.
I'm enjoying watching you eat. I made Paula blush on the first try. On the first try.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.